Hey everybody, and welcome to today's Hodl and Shill Bitsgap update. So today we're gonna just jump right in, and let's just start where we're at. I'll hit refresh, and we are at a total for our bot profit today we're at 29.98. So as of yesterday when I did the video, we were at 29 or 28.96. So that's $102. We've made $102 so far today. Today I'm actually doing the video a little bit later as well. So we'll definitely be over the probably like maybe 105, 106. We'll see where we end up by midnight. Actually, we'll see where we end up tomorrow in tomorrow's video. But yesterday, I think we were just shy of $100 when I made the video for the day, and today we're over. So very good. Pretty happy with that. Considering that Bitcoin is kind of going sideways and flat, not a really a bad thing. We're about to see, I think, once Bitcoin takes off, a lot of this stuff is going to really pick up. So total, we're around 26.52% for the month. And let's see. Let's go. We're going to actually go by bot profit again, just like we have been doing. Jasmy is still my number one at 71.79% profit. So that's $849. And so for 1 month and 9 days, it's actually been doing 1.79%. So not quite the 2% that we were talking about that we want to be at for daily, but just under, and that's fine. I'm fine with that. And then we've got Elon. Of course, Elon is at 72.37, so technically it's actually our number one. It's the less amount of money, $362, but it's averaging around 2.19% a day, and that's been running for 1 month and 2 days. Okay, and then obviously we've got our SHIB US USDT, and that is at 31%. Way less. This is at 0.79% that it's running for the day. And that's been running for 1 month and 9 days. The reason that I'm going to keep leaving this going is because this is just kind of like an accumulation kind of a thing. And I think that when it does take off, this is going to be a perfect bot to keep running. And I think that this will be a really great performer. Okay. Then we have XYO. XYO has done really well. That's at 81% profit for 29 days. So just tomorrow will be the 1 month birthday of our XYO USD on Coinbase. And that is actually averaging 2.80% daily, which is pretty impressive. So in fact, what we'll do from here, let's actually just take a step back. We're going to go to average daily. Okay, so this is actually really, really good, a good way to look at this. Okay, so our Avalanche 3 long is leverage pair. This has been running for 4 days, I believe. I don't know if we started this one together. No, we did not start this one together, but I did this 4 days ago, and it's been averaging 6.83% a day. It's done 800 trades on its own in 4 days, but that's quite a bit of profit, and I'm pretty happy with that. So we'll stick with that. XYO, we just went over that. Elon, we just went over that. FTG, this is going to be a big one as well. 2% a day for 10 days. I'll take it. I think it's got a lot of potential, and we're going to leave that one running. Jasmy, of course, we went over that. CRO, so I believe we've talked about this one. Now, this is going to be an interesting one. To be honest with you, I think CRO, I would have made a bigger return. I know that I would have made a bigger return just holding on to the coin itself rather than trading, because I'm running this on a scalper, which is 130 grids, and it's done 20,000. So this is crazy. It's done 20,412 transactions since it started just in 4 days. So I'll take it at 6%. It's almost that 2% mark, which isn't horrible. But again, I think it would have been definitely more profitable just to buy the coins and hold them. But if you remember, and we'll head up from here, the reason that I'm doing this is because this is for the scalper contest that they're running. But look at this. I mean, this is just a flawless chart to see the way that it's followed it the whole way up. I mean, it just does. It makes you realize that this is a really, really good strategy, and it works for the way that it actually trades. But with that being said, so that is our number one for this bot. So this money has gone up to, the prize pool has gone up to $30,000, $30,330 actually, to be exact. And it looks like we went up a little bit. So if you remember yesterday, we were down to the 600s. And now we're back up in the 500s out of 2,033 people that have joined. And we still have 23 days left. So fingers crossed, and keep rooting for us here. If rooting for us, I want to definitely try to see what I can do in this contest. I think that we're on a good path, and we're going to just let these bots go and keep doing their thing. And with that said, let's look at the one that we started together. Was the Bitcoin 3L. Okay, so here it is. So we started this together 2 days ago, and that has done 1% a day and 5,247 trades. That's insane. But you can see here, this has been trading Bitcoin, and it even took, look at this. This is a great example of a grid trade and why it makes sense for the trail up. We had this huge green candle up, and then it just did its thing, came back down, and then it followed this big candle up. And look, if you look, we're going down, and it's going to follow it down and right back up. So that's just a really good example of how it works. Okay, so basically to the other thing, let's look at the other one that we started. So we started this scalper bot together, and then we also started USDT BTC as a pair together on the spot side. So where is that one? Let's see. Let's see, average time. Here it is, right here. Okay, so this is actually, if you think about it, this actually has done horribly in terms of profit. So the good news, we're in the green, but it's only made 88 cents. The bad news is that it hasn't made more money, and so that's not really bad news, is it? Considering that Bitcoin is down and sideways, I think that this is doing just fine. So we've been running for 2 days. In 2 days, it's made 4 trades by itself. Not anything crazy. We're running this on 20 grids, and so the one thing, so every 1%, 1.61%, it's going to make a trade. But if you are bullish on Bitcoin like I am right now, and you think that we've started the new cycle, which I believe started on my birthday back on the 19th when we started this follow along, I think we are about to start to see this thing skyrocket. And so I expect this number to go up quite a bit because we're going to be trading every 1%. So very excited for that. And we're just going to let it run. That's what the point of this follow along is just to actually track things together and show you what works, what doesn't. What we could do better, maybe what could be improved. And on your end, I hope that you guys leave comments and things below to you can criticize the strategy. You can tell me something that we could improve, something that you're doing that is working for you better. That's what this is for. So definitely keep us in the loop on things that are working for you or what's not working for you. But that's going to be it. Let's just do one more thing before we go. Let's look at our biggest losers. Okay, so let's go with bot profit and go down to the bottom. Okay, interestingly enough here, our worst coins would be this one, which is the BTC USD that we just looked at. And my Shiba Doge is actually the worst performer, making only 30 cents. Get this. This blows my mind. Actually, yes. No, it's actually 3 cents. So we are 3 cents in the green, still in the green. That's all that matters. And it's done 8,308 trades over 6 days' time. This is all we're doing this for is the scalper contest. So we're not generating a ton of yield, but it is definitely doing a high trade volume here with 8,000 trades, which is just absolutely insane. But I do think that this is actually going to run really heavy. If you have been paying attention to the news today, something that was just released on Twitter is that Doge is releasing an Ethereum bridge. So that's going to be really interesting to see how that plays out for this, because it really makes it a contender against Shiba. So let's just see what happens there. But that's basically it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this follow along. It looks like we're definitely on the right path. Oh, look at this. Since we've been talking, it's gone up. We're just $1 away from breaking the 3,000 mark. So that's really exciting. The 3,000 profit, actually, which is very, very exciting. Tomorrow, let's see where we're at. we should be definitely over that 3K mark, and I'll give you guys an update then. Leave comments. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.